Hello guys, welcome to another devlog. Today I want to talk about what I have been working on for the past 3 weeks. First I will talk about small additions, and after that I will explain the biggest part of my work. Let's get to the character design first. I designed a new player character that actually fits the style and theme of the game. I will eventually create more characters and clothing for them. My idea for the clothing in the game is that each piece has its own pros and cons. The hazmat suit, for example, should keep you safe from radiation, but will slow you down a bit. Next on the list is the first real enemy, a giant praying mantis that I've been working on for the past few days. Currently the textures are just a prototype, and I will eventually rework them to make them look a little bit better. I also implemented the praying mantis into Unity and added inverse kinematics for procedural animations to the legs. Right now my procedural animation system is quite in the works, so there are still a few bugs, but I will eventually figure them out as soon as I do my research. Let's get to the last and also biggest part already, and probably the reason on why I clicked on the video: the procedural generation. It cost me about 2 full weeks and my sanity, but I have created my own working dungeons generation system. There's nothing that it is based on. I just thought of a system that would work for my use case in my head and started coding and implementing it. What I came up with is a more or less complex system for room generation. It works by generating a start room. That room can have as many doors as wished. If a room isn't generated behind a door, that door will not open or even show. The only real restriction of my system is that rooms can only be rotated by 90 degrees each, but that doesn't really bother me, at least for now, and hopefully ever. When the start room is generated, it tries to generate new rooms on the existing doors of the start room. It will run the process for the newly generated room too. It's basically an infinite loop until no more open doors are found. And that's it already again. I'm sorry that the video is pretty short, but unfortunately I don't have as much free time as I used to because my holidays have ended and I'm currently being trained as a paramedic. I hope to see you soon again. Don't forget to share the video if you liked it, or even consider subscribing if that's your jam. Thank you. I'll see you another time. Hopefully sooner than last time. Bye.